How to convert a tax to a subtax in Wrike. Hello friends, hello everyone, welcome once again to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can convert a tax to a subtax in Wrike. So to convert the tax to a subtax in Wrike, the first step is to log in into your Wrike's account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page where you'd see Wrike's logo by the top left corner. Then you see a navigation bar also by the left side, and then on the main screen you would be asked to navigate through to the field, the workspace, or the project that you would want to, whose tax you would want to convert to a subtax. So the first step after locating the folder or the space or whatever is to switch to table view. You can see that currently mine is on board view, so just switch to table view. After switching to table view and it loads, you would see all of the tax that you would like to change to a subtax here. You can see tax, you can see subtax, right? So the next step for you to do is to drag the tax and drop it over the tax where you want it to be a subtax. Okay, for example, this is a set a budget. So if I want to make this a, or for example, create content is a tax. So if I want to make it a subtax, all I need to do is to move it here, drag it, hold this down here. Okay, let's move this and then drag it and place it under set a budget. But if that doesn't work, the other thing that you can do is to just directly create a subtax, all right, under the tax with the heading of the tax that you want to make a subtax. Because in some cases you may not be able to hold the tax down and drag it, just like it's not working here. Or to do that, move to the left side. Yeah, click on the buttons next to the tax, then just use that to reorder it by dragging it and placing it under the tax where you want to make it a subtax. All right, just do it this way and then it will be a subtax automatically. So this is how it works. This is how you can turn a tax to a subtax in marketing or in any kind of space or project or folder, or preferably, like I said, you can just select the tax that you want a subtax, click on the more option button, and then create a subtax on that. So thanks for watching and have a good day.